It's going on 9 weeks now. It's probably, like, it's just about 9 weeks. And I've been re-braiding the whole time because I go to swimming 1 to 2 times per week. It's like 3 to 5 hours every week. So I've had to constantly keep re-braiding my mini braid, like especially re-braiding the perimeter going around the outside. And I even re-braid like the middle patch right here. I've been re-braiding my mini braids a lot because I swim, and when I swim, my ends tend to get tangled in mini braids. So I don't recommend anyone braiding their mini braids like this, like where there's a lot of hair out, because I know the way that I would do my mini braids, since I'll be going swim, I would braid my mini braids from now on is all the way down to the end. Not like this, because it causes too many split ends and single strand knots. I'm also going to add some vitamin E oil to my nails so they will not break as easily, because my nails are pretty dry, because like I said, I be in chlorine, so like my hands and my nails are dry, but I just oil them up and I'm good to go. And this will lead to less breakage on my nails and less breakage on my hair too. So guys, what I'm doing now is for every 3 braids, I'm going to go ahead and braid the 3 into 1. Once I get all this extra shit hair out. The outdoor pools are closed, but indoor pools are still running. See, now here I would have to borrow hair, because you see how that piece is like very thin right there. So I'd have to borrow some hair from a middle piece. And now, see how that one is now? That one was very small, is now almost as big as the other 2 strands. Every 3 mini braids I take out, I'm gonna do a braid. Make sure to put moisture on my ends. As you can see, I'm re-adding moisture to my end. They just dried out on me, but they're good now. So I'll just twist it down. And I gotta get out the habit of that, because I'm gonna have to start braiding my hair all the way to the ends. Like literally all the way to the ends. Because this is not all the way to the end, see? I know I need to stop because my hands cramp up and it won't be too long before they do it again. I got the front done and that's pretty good for now. This is the front and how much I've re-braided. This is how it's looking. Okay, so I'm gonna take a break now and think of my next plan on what part of my hair I'll tackle. I'm going to be using this and a spray bottle of water. That's it, no oil. I did have, I was using this little sample packet of Maeli or Mael, however they pronounce it, but I ran out of it. So now this I'm putting on here for to put in my hair. So I just scoop up the conditioner from off of this little packet right here. This on here is not Maeli, it's the mane and tail. So I'll just pour that on top of there and then I'll add it to my braids with some water and that's it. So I'm about to go ahead and get started. So I'm finally done after 3 more hours of taking out my hair. So that means that I took out my hair for a total of 17 hours. That is just crazy. Like, very crazy. I am done. And I just learned my lesson not to put in mini braids that small when I'm going to swim. They're fine when I'm not going in water or washing my hair too much, but otherwise the small ones are no-go for water activities like water sports, anything. Just even relaxed swimming can make the hair matted and dry and hard to take out. I'm so happy and I'm so relieved at the 17 hours. I finally got all my hair out, all the little braids out. And yes, I love mini braids, but they are just too hard to take out when I go to swim. And I also had to keep braiding them every 2 weeks and moisturize them 2 days a week and wash them once every 2 weeks or once every week and deep condition and all that. And I'm just like, okay, these don't work. And I did wear the mini braids for like 2 months while I was swimming. And it's no go. It's just so much mat and so many loose strands, so many knots at the end. When I tell you each day was a struggle, it really was. It was like so complicated. I had to keep taking breaks and breaks and breaks because I'm like, okay, chill out. Take more breaks so you don't rip off your hair and break all this hair. Because you know, impatience will cause one to just start to be a little bit careless with the hair, and I'm not trying to do that. I just know that I'm liking these medium braids. This is like the perfect size for me and my water activities. Yeah, but the job was so strenuous. Like, my hands were cramping real bad. I was getting sleepy. I was getting exhausted. All of that. But I made it through.